We begin tonight with the murder trial 3 years in the making. Henry Dinkins is charged with killing 10-year-old Bresia-Terrell of Davenport.
News 8's Nina Burns is live outside the Scott County Courthouse where prosecutors laid out their opening statement and called their first witnesses. Good evening, Nina.
Thanks, guys. In child victim cases, prosecutors tend to use emotional tactics to prove their case. Some examples of that is going in depth about the victim at hand and their entire life, their history, their hobbies, going to detail and humanizing them. But you have to remember, this is not a jury trial. They are not swaying a jury here. This is a bench trial, meaning ultimately the person who decides Henry Dinkins' fate is the judge. The state's opening statement lasted over an hour, showing the state's main tactic in this trial is cold hard facts, starting with how Bresia ended under Henry Dinkins' supervision, down to the moment they found her remains. An important factor prosecutors say we'll see later in the trial is the vehicle Dinkins allegedly drove away with Bresia, and that is a maroon Chevy Impala.
Did you note any areas within this vehicle that did fluoresce or appear to perhaps have some bodily fluids?
Yes, there were some areas on the rear seat that did. On the side of this black and white bag, towards the very front of the trunk, you could see an axe head. We didn't want to manipulate or move anything, but that is what was viewed. On that axe, there was some indication that there could be blood.
To many surprise, Henry Dinkins' defense team waived their right to an opening statement today, meaning the only opening statement given was from the prosecution. Now, opening statements are normally used to show the tactics that will be used throughout the trial from both sides. Without an opening statement, we're not quite sure what tactics the defense will use to prove that Dinkins is innocent. But we have multiple days left. This is just day one. So back to you guys.
All right, thank you, Nina. We are also streaming the Henry Dinkins murder trial on our website, WQ80.com, and on our YouTube channel.